Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? I'm hot. It's cold outside. I just walked 28 minutes, full speed. I got a lot of stuff to do this morning. But yeah, my heel feels fine, and I think I'm past, at least short term, this plantar fasciitis. I got to tell you, do a short video on the new gym shoes that I got that are like walking on clouds. They're really nice. And I can attribute that to when the pain stopped. But anyhow, crypto market, I have not looked at the crypto market in a week. I know we're down. I don't care. I'm in this for the long term. Random video number 1 below. I met Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 February 6th, 49 years ago yesterday. Went out for dinner at our old faithful restaurant. It was super fun. And what else? Not looking at the crypto market. Super encouraged about what was going on at the Ondo Summit yesterday in New York. Whether you own Ondo or not, whether you like it or not, that's really besides the point. It was an awesome set of like A++ speakers from the government that were pro-crypto to just the people that kind of handle the financial purses of the United States and, dare I say, the world. If you're on Twitter, I would definitely look at some of the speakers that they had yesterday. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And take a look at the Dabba Network referral link for some legit passive income. Love y'all. Bye-bye.